Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best drone under 250 grams. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5, brand name, KCX. Model number, RG101. The optimized Full HD camera built with shock absorption holder ensures shooting 4096 into 3072 pixels high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5G Wi-Fi high-speed image transmission without delay, 5 GHz FPV transmission, and 90-degree adjustable lens enables you to see the word from different angle. Possesses 360 degrees omnidirectional laser obstacle avoidance ability, flying aerial photography. Let you control more easily, easy to use, worry-free flying. Brushless motors runs more powerful with much less noise compared to brushed motors, which can enable stable and fast drone flights. Number 4, brand name, Benosky. Model number, L900 PRO. The L900 aerial photography drone injects powerful flight performance into a lightweight body. It can accompany you to travel at any time, with the easy-to-use app, to help you fly freely, create as you wish, and discover the beauty of the other side of familiar things. Flight assisted by GPS. Provides you with accurate positioning details for your drone. The drone will automatically return home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak. When flying out of range, never worry about losing the drone. Optical flow positioning. Fixed point height, and can shoot more easily and firmly inside. The redesigned L900 brings a simple and intuitive operating experience, making flying easier. There is more flight teaching, which is convenient for you to master flying skills more quickly. A 40-megapixel aerial camera can shoot 4K, quadruple HD resolution video. With electronic anti-shake technology, it greatly improves the stability of aerial pictures. Number 3, brand name, 4DRC. Model number, F3. The 4DRC F3 offers 4K video quality with its 2-axis self-stabilizing gimbal for more smooth shots. The 4DRC F3 drone comes with a built-in 4K quality video to get nice stable videos with your action camera. The 4DRC F3 can go as far as 400 meters with 1,200 meters with 5 GHz Wi-Fi band positioning. The F3 drone also comes with level 7 wind resistance, so you can fly comfortably with a bit of wind. This drone also comes with rechargeable 7.4-volt 2000 mAh batteries. The 4DRC F3 comes equipped with an adjustable 4K camera which will give you pretty good looking footage. The built-in camera comes with 2-axis self-stabilizing gimbal technology. Number 2. Brand name, Ichin. Model number, EX5. Ichin EX5 drone built with 4K UD camera. Each picture ensures shooting 3840 x 2160 high-resolution images and videos, with 5G FPV transmitter, saves smooth 4K video at 16 frames per second. Play first-person vision 2.7K video taken by the drone immediately in your mobile device at 25 frames per second. Electronically controlled camera function allows you remotely adjust the shooting angle about 0 to 90 degrees by your remote control or app. The 229 grams small fuselage contains excellent performance, clever folding design, let your travel easy and convenient, enjoy the flight fun. GPS and optical flow positioning. GPS positioning gives you the precise positioning details of the drone, keeping track of the position of the drone and providing the automatic return function. You won't lose the drone anytime. Along with the optical flow positioning, barometer, and satellite systems, and it has a terrific return to home point and a new more precise landing technology. Brushless motor with aviation propellers for high aerodynamic efficiency, which is more quiet and longevous than a brushed motor. The large capacity battery provides the drone 30 minutes flight time each charge. This drone is very light and weighs 229 grams. Number 1. Brand name, DJI. Model number, Mavic 2 Pro. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. Impressive performance, stunning image quality, and creative videos are just a few taps away. Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. With a maximum battery life of 31 minutes, G Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot.